Hi everybody. So today we're going to be taking a look at a first aid kit that you can put together for less than £5. So that is less than a cup of snazzy coffee from a well-known coffee shop. I'm more of a tea drinker myself though. So this is a first aid kit which I believe is suitable for pretty much anyone to carry around with them, be them out in the woods or in the urban jungle. Accidents do happen, and in the UK we have something of a knife crime problem in some parts of the country, so something like this can actually make a difference in keeping people alive long enough for the emergency services to come and take over. As I said, this is going to be a kit which you can put together for less than £5. Probably, looking at it, it's more likely like £3, but I'll go through some of the prices and give you the links in the description below if you want to put something like this together yourself. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so first up, let's talk about this. So this is a Swedish army dressing. This is the old school variant, kind of similar to a traditional ambulance dressing. It's not elasticated and it hasn't got all the pressure bars like modern trauma dressings, but this will definitely help you apply that firm direct pressure that can help control serious bleeding. And the best part, this costs £1 from Military Mart, so I'll put the link in the description for that. But that's really cool, slimline, and a decent dressing really, even though for its age it's still sealed, it's still totally intact. Next up we're going to move along to here. So I've included some cleansing wipes. These can be used to clean a minor wound or also to clean yourself if you're treating someone and perhaps you've got blood on you. More of a hygiene item, but I thought I'd definitely include that. Next up, a pair of nitrile gloves. I would choose nitrile over latex simply because some people have allergies. I've simply got a big box and I took some and put some in a freezer bag and squashed the air out so it's nice and thin. These don't have to be sterile, antibiotics take care of that. Your primary concern is stopping cross-contamination. Next up, I've included a resuscitation face shield. Some people may want to use this, some people may want to stick to hands only CPR, whatever you're comfortable with. I've also included a few plasters. This is what you would generally use typically in a first aid kit, so I definitely wanted to include them. So you're covering the traumatic stuff, but also, you know, you're dealing with the day-to-day stuff. And basically, what I'll do now is I'll put it all together and show you how I secure it with an elastic band. Doesn't have to be expensive. So I'll show you now. Okay, so there you have it. This is the under £5 first aid kit, suitable for pocket carry. Done. Very simple, but I think it will definitely get a job done. So if you're on a really tight budget, you can still carry the tools necessary to buy people time if they're seriously hurt. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the other videos in the series. I will be going up through the financial tiers and showing you a few different carry options. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, get trained, and I'll see you soon.